Hello friends, I am Kairavi Butch. I am a singer. Today I'll be sharing with you my journey of Nimba Naturopathy Center. So basically, as I'm a singer and our lifestyle is like that we kind of wake up late, we sleep late, and in this COVID times, the entire situation is very stressful. So I was just looking for a center, a place where I can just go and relax and kind of detox my mind, detox my body because of the bad habits that we are living in, because of all the stress that we are undergoing right now in this current situation. So I was just looking for a place which is nearby, since I belong to Ahmedabad. So I was looking for a place which is not very far, plus it should be in outskirts, so not a very crowded area. So I was just looking online where I can go for a detox kind of journey of with my own self, for a peaceful living for some days. So then I came across this website of Nimba, and I made a choice. I saw the website and I really liked it, but I was really skeptical कि जितलू website पर देखा है जितना दिखा रहा है इतना अच्छा होगा कि नहीं. But I am very happy that I took this decision to come to Nimba. Actually, it was a little tough decision because of the COVID times. We are always skeptical whether to go out of the home or to go into an unknown place. But I can assure you guys that Nimba is the best place you can visit in these times, and the best place one can visit for a complete mind, body, soul detox. Because I'll share with you my own experience. Usually I wake up very late in the morning. I have a lot of junk food. Actually, I am a very big cold drink addict, and tea तो दिन में 5-6 हो ही जाती है, 6-7 भी हो जाती है. So I was really not sure whether I'll be able to cope up with this naturopathy way of living. But the way they have scheduled the diet, the therapies, the complete stay and the complete program, the पूरा दिन का जो schedule है जिनको ये लोग दिनचर्या बोलते हैं, वो बहुत ही smooth है. It will not come as a jerk, या you will not have to force yourself to stay hungry, or you will not have to force yourself to wake up early. It will happen very easily. It's बहुत सहजता से मेरे से हो रहा है, तो I'm sure सबसे हो ही पाएगा. I wake up here when I'm here since about a week, and I wake up at around 5:30. Then I go for some yogic cleaning, nose cleaning, shat kriya जिसको ये लोग बोलते हैं, eye cleaning, and they clean all our sense organs. So we start our day with that, and then we go for yoga. Oh my God, it is amazing. Since this resort is spread over 35 acres, so I'll tell you guys कि जितना safe हम लोग हमारे घर में, हमारी society में है, उससे I feel I'm 10 times safer here, because all the staff is vaccinated. We are also asked to take a COVID test before we come. So anyone who comes here is very safe proofed, I would say. And instead of going anywhere else, it's a best option to come here. Also, I'll tell you one more thing, that after yoga, as I was sharing with you my day journey, after yoga and pranayam, we are given with a detox drink, and after that we are given with a fresh juice. So ये सब हम जानते ही हैं, हम घर पे भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जानना और करना ये बहुत अलग चीज़ है. सो जब हमारे हाथ में कोई इतना अच्छा जूस देता है, एकदम फुल ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स एंड न्यूट्रिशन, तो यू योरसेल्फ स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट नो, दिस इज़ अ लाइफस्टाइल वी शुड फॉलो इवन एट होम. So after that we go through some therapies. About the therapies, I think the best part about Nimba is the therapy part. All the therapists are very well trained and very hygienic, and the complete place is sanitized, I would say fumigated. The doctors are amazing. They will hold your hand and guide you through the journey kind of. It won't be stressful. So therapies होती है, different kind of massages, steams. You kind of really feel that your body is just flushing out all the toxins and negative energies from all your routine life. So after that there is a lunch विच इट्स वेरी फिलिंग। ऐसा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गेस्ट हैं मेरे साथ, हम में से किसी को ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि वी आर हंग्री और वी आर नॉट एबल टू कोप अप विद दिस। और द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दैट आई एम नॉट मिसिंग माई टी, कॉफ़ी, एनी थिंग। सो सबको लगता है कि सर दर्द होगा, विल फील लिटिल वांटिंग फॉर दैट, बट नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। उसके बाद अगेन रिजुविनेशन थेरेपीज़ है और शिरोधारा हम सब ने सुना है, लेकिन इतना अच्छा है, आई डोंट हैव वर्ड्स, इट्स सो रिलैक्सिंग, इट्स सो रिलैक्सिंग। शिरोधारा होता है, फुट मसाजेस होते हैं, एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ आयुर्वेदिक स्टडी बेस्ड, सो रैंडम मसाजेस नहीं है। फॉर योर पर्टिकुलर केस, जो आपका गोल है यहाँ आने का, डिटॉक्स है, चाहे आपको कोई एलिमेंट है जो आपको थोड़ा कम करना है, रिमूव करना है, तो सब कुछ यहाँ पे हो जाता है। देन अगेन इन द इवनिंग वी आर गिवन 2-3 juices again, and by the end of the day one more yoga session. There are also personalized yoga sessions, and then again we have dinner, which is also a Ayurvedic healthy dinner. And then you kind of walk around in the property. It's very green and very spaced out, so you have all the time to yourself. और मेरा यहाँ आने का वन ऑफ द गोल्स वॉज कि फ़ोन भी मेरे से दूर रहे, बिकॉज आई काइंड ऑफ हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क टू डू ऑन माई फ़ोन। सो फ़ोन से भी मैं दूर हूँ, आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू द नेचर। आई थिंक इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड चॉइस टू चूज़ निम्बा एंड कम हियर। कोविड टाइम में भी आ सकते हो, उसके बाद भी आ सकते हो। इट्स वेरी नियर बाय, वेरी एक्सेसिबल, एंड द स्टाफ इज़ वेरी फ्रेंडली, द प्लेस इज़ वेरी हाइजीनिक, एंड आई वुड डेफिनेटली गिव इट